wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Aw, I'm so lonely. Yeah, are you lonely, Anna? Oh, hi kids, hi! Hi kids, from A to Z, from east to west. I'm Olivia. Welcome back to Dream Again. Do you ever get lonely? Yeah, me too. I'm lonely right now. Yeah, I think Noah's outside playing, or I don't know. And so Anna and I were here, and I don't know. Look, there's just so much big emptiness here, huh? So I thought maybe Anna and I. See, she doesn't want to be alone either. I won't be alone. Yeah, so I thought Anna and I, we could play dress up. So maybe we'll play with you kids so that we won't be lonely. Okay, so let me get out the dresses. So we've got lots of options here. We've got really colorful. Ooh, this is a really nice one. This is like a summer one. And ooh, I like that. It's nice and stars on pink. Maybe that's like the 4th of July one. And oh, this one's like pink and looks kind of like mermaid tail. I don't think she wants to wear that though. I don't know. And there's another pink one. Oh, it's so lonely. It's like I don't even know what she wants to wear, and she's not very talkative. So, this one's nice because it's polka dot, black and white polka dot. She could wear that maybe if she's going to like a dance, like a 50s dance, like they used to wear those polka dot dresses all the time, huh? Yeah. Oh, what about this one right here? Yeah.
Hi, Olivia.
Noah! Oh, yay! Wow.
Well, what's going on? You're a little bit. You can calm down, dear.
No, I was so lonely. Me and Anna, we were sitting here.
Yeah, but you're with Anna. What? You're not lonely.
Yeah, but
I was out with my friends playing, and you were playing here with Anna.
Yeah, but we were still lonely.
And the kids are even here. You can't be lonely. Hi, kids.
Hi, kids.
But you already said hi.
Yeah, I did, but still.
I'm just saying hi, kids, because I haven't said hi to the
Yeah,
kids.
I don't know. I still felt lonely, even though there were lots. I felt lonely, even though there were lots of kids, and Anna was here. I don't know.
I forgot to tell you.
What?
I saw 2 princesses locked up.
They're what?
They're locked up.
Where are they locked up?
They need to be rescued.
Maybe if we rescue them, they'll be our friends, because I think that's why I'm lonely, because me and Anna didn't have any other friends to play with.
Yeah, you know why?
Why?
It's adventure time!
Oh, adventure time! Yay! Oh, did you hear that, Anna? Yeah, did you hear that, Anna? It's adventure time!
But you know what?
What?
We need to dress up for the adventure.
Oh, yeah. Do you see any outfits that you like?
We need to make sure that we're suited correctly for the adventure.
Yeah, you have to wear the right outfit for the right journey.
Yep.
Yeah.
So
So
I see there's some dresses there.
yeah, there's some.
Oh.
She's so happy she's not going to be alone anymore. Yeah.
Yeah, you won't
Yeah,
be
you
alone.
won't be alone.
Yeah, we're
Okay.
gonna go on a journey and rescue the princesses.
Yeah, rescue the princess. Okay, I'm gonna set her right there so we can decide on her outfit.
Okay.
Okay.
We should go through them.
Yeah. What do we have? We have. Oh.
No.
This one's fun. Yeah, no. I kind of like.
What about this colorful one?
Oh yeah, like a rainbow.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like that one a lot. I think that one's probably the best. I think that's a good one for an adventure because rainbows go over the land, so it's like an adventure.
Yeah, it's our
rainbow
art.
adventure. Yeah.
We go over the rainbow.
Yeah.
And
Aw.
we'll need all of the colors to rescue maybe the princesses. We don't know what special powers we'll need.
Maybe colors are the key to rescuing them.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you want to dress Anna up?
Yeah. I'll dress Anna up.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow, that looks beautiful.
Yeah, I like that dress.
It just fits to our set, doesn't it?
It's
To our
perfect.
rainbow.
Yeah, it's her rainbow dress. It's a rainbow summer dress. Wow! She looks great in this rainbow dress.
Yeah, she fits to our rainbow right there.
Yeah, right back there. Yeah.
So
So
now that we've taken care of Anna for our adventure, what about us, Olivia?
Oh, yeah, we need to get dressed too. I think, where do we think we're going? You said that they're trapped in boxes. Do you think
Yeah.
it's hot or cold?
I think it's hot.
Okay, so if it's hot, then I would say we need sunglasses to protect our eyes. And, I'm going to wear a headband so that my hair stays out of my face.
Okay, I'll wear sunglasses.
Okay, so we should
Should I
get
wear
that stuff.
headband, Anna, too?
Yeah. Do you want to wear one? Yeah,
Okay.
it'll help. What if there's sand?
It's our adventure outfit.
Or wind. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So let's put
Let's put them on.
Anna down right here, and then let's put on our stuff.
Here are my sunglasses.
My sunglasses. Here are mine too. Wait. Woo!
Here are mine.
Oh yeah, looking good.
We look cool.
We look so cool. We look like
Mr. and Mrs. Cool.
or like a rock band, like da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Yeah, right?
Dun, dun.
Yeah, rock band.
Yep.
All right, I'm
Okay.
gonna get my headband.
Okay.
Whoa.
You look cool.
You look really cool.
Yeah.
Look, cause we're like totally tubular, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I should have a skateboard and a surfboard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For our adventure, right?
Yeah, absolutely. I could ride the skateboard.
Well, you should choose skateboard or surfboard.
Ooh. I want a surfboard because I could surf on water and I could surf on sand.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll get that too. Maybe
Cool.
we'll need it for our adventure.
Yeah, we might.
Okay, I'm going to take off my glasses now
Oh, yeah.
because we haven't started.
Yeah, okay, me too.
Wait,
Oh, wait.
where's Anna? Oh, there she is.
She says, "Hi, I'm here. I am ready." Oh, good. Yeah, look at her. Look at her in her rainbow dress.
Yeah, she looks good.
Wow.
Fits to our
Yeah,
set.
it does.
Yep.
Looks just like our rainbow.
Yep.
And that's how we can tell we're going someplace hot, huh? Because she's definitely in a summer dress.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay,
so I'm going to put on my glasses now
okay.
and let's start on the adventure.
All right. So,
Ready?
yeah.
Okay,
So,
let's go.
let's go. We're walking through the woods and we're heading into, it's a dark part of the woods. Oh, but up ahead at the end of the clearing,
I see the sun.
you see the sun?
Yeah, let's
Me
walk
too.
towards the sun.
Let's go towards the sun. Let's walk faster because it's dark. It's dark in here. I don't like the dark woods. Yeah, and we get to, there's the sun.
There's the sun. Do you see it in the reflection of your sunglasses?
Yeah, yeah. Ooh.
I love the
Wow.
sun.
Yeah, me too. The sun looks great. Oh, but we
nice
shouldn't
and
look right at it. That's dangerous.
Okay, so let's go.
Okay, so then we walk. Oh, and it's so sandy and hot. Oh, it's so hot. And Anna says, I really hope we find them soon. I
Yeah.
really want to find the other princesses.
Where do you think they are?
I think that they are at the very far side of the desert.
The desert. There, I see the desert right in front of us.
Okay, so let's go to the
let's
desert.
go.
Go to the desert. Oh, but up ahead.
It's very hot here.
Yeah.
Did
Wow.
we bring enough water? I don't think so.
I don't know. We should have brought more sunscreen too.
Yeah, we need
Yeah.
to hurry up.
Yeah, let's go faster.
Okay.
Oh, but it's so hot if we go faster. Oh, but there's a nice breeze all of a sudden, huh? Oh yeah. Yeah, it's like,
that's
ooh,
nice.
little breeze in the desert. Oh, it's getting it's getting a little strong.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. What?
Uh-oh.
What?
Look up ahead. It looks like a sandstorm.
It does.
Let's quickly
There's a lot of wind. Run.
Oh no, it's coming.
Oh no, the sandstorm.
Oh, no.
The sandstorm.
No.
It's here.
Run. Bye, kids.
Where is it?
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!